How to recover a Roblox account without email or password. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Here, go to the sign in page, enter your username, then press on next. It will lead you to this page. Click on forgot your password at the bottom. Then, here, you don't have access to your mail, so press on use phone instead. Select the countries that your number is linked to. Add your phone number, press on next. Verification code will be sent to your number. Then paste the verification code and you will be able to recover your Roblox account. This is how to recover a Roblox account without email or password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.